hello, guys. I see Bigfoot.
Bigfoot. Ava wants to go exploring today. All right, let's do it.
I'm going to go look for stuff that way.
Okay, let's go.
First, we need a backpack.
Got to get your backpack off.
Yes.
Okay. Need my help?
I got it.
Okay.
Alright. Now, we are going to get a magnifying glass.
A magnifying glass. Okay.
Now, here is the magnifying glass. But we are going to go put my backpack over there.
Okay. You want me to hold your backpack?
No, I got it. You can put it right there.
Okay.
It's a strawberry backpack.
It is.
Now we are going to look.
It's pretty windy today, Haven.
Today we have to look. I see hair.
I bet so. Your
For
hair.
me.
Your hair's in your face.
I see a hello, guys.
What do you see?
It is strange.
A leaf. I love it.
It has germs on it.
Oh no.
Oh no. This is a poison leaf. So let's put it there. But it's good for spores because Lisa's nose is a spore round.
Oh, all right. They know when a spore's around. I got you.
Yeah, then if they start falling up like that, you're supposed to pet them.
Okay.
And these pokey things are them that stretch out.
Okay.
Did y'all know that?
Pretty windy out here today.
And for this, while we release, we are going to put that one in there.
Putting your leaf in your backpack.
Yep.
Okay.
And if we see anything poison, this is what we need. Okay. Show you. Okay. We don't need this.
Okay.
Or we don't need this. These are binoculars.
Oh, okay.
I think we should need them binoculars.
Yeah, I think your leaf flew out, Explorer.
It's fine.
Oh, okay.
We don't really need it for nothing, so. But if we're not gonna put this is okay, we are gonna close this.
Put that in your backpack.
Okay. Now we are gonna close it. Okay. Now we are gonna look. Snuggles.
Your binoculars.
And if we see something very dangerous and it's slimy, we are going to hit it with this.
All right. What you see, Explorer?
I see trees.
See trees?
Oh no.
Bigfoot. Oh
You
no.
wanna see him?
Yeah. Oh no.
Roar!
Oh no.
Alright, now let's go head over there. I'll tell you when he's gone.
Okay.
Now let's sit out here for a couple hours.
Okay.
Roar!
Oh my goodness. Oh, Bigfoot.
Roar! I'm coming to get you.
Oh no, not Bigfoot. I hope not. I hope Bigfoot doesn't see us.
Alright, he's gone now.
Okay.
I'll be happy home. Let's be a little bit closer with us.
What do you see, Explorer?
I see you.
I see you.
Okay, let's walk that way.
Okay, let's do it.
I see Momo's. I see Aunt Shell's house. See Nana Grenade. I see yours.
Oh wow. That's a lot of things you see.
I see a mailbox.
You do?
I see another mailbox.
Oh wow.
And I see y'all.
We can see you.
Let's go down.
You see any birds?
I see a car.
Oh wow. You see any birds?
I see American flag.
I see American flag. All right.
Alright, now let's go. I see something. Let's go that way some more.
What do you see?
Oh no!
What is it?
I see a deer.
A deer.
Let's run to the mountain.
I see you.
Roar! I hear a deer. It's a Bigfoot deer. I think he's gone. All right. Now let's look. I see something that way.
What do you see?
I need to pick it up on my phone.
It's a flower.
Here, let's use my hands. Don't worry, I got gloves on.
Let me
I
see.
really don't.
Oh, it's pretty.
All right. We're heading that way.
Okay.
I still need this.
Oh no! Dropped your knucklers.
They're okay.
Good. I'm so glad. case. All
Yep.
right.
So I'm gonna tell y'all what we found so far. We found, well, this was later, but y'all haven't seen it. I found the acorn with somewhere else, and I found a leaf, and I found a flower.
All right.
I found a dandelion, but I found a regular flower.
All right.
But for now, we need these.
Okay.
These two tools, but that is for later. That's why I'm going to leave that, and I am going to not close that.
Okay.
Now let's go. I see something.
What do you see?
Sit
What is it?
down. Head out. Let's head away from the cave.
Okay.
Go all the way to a tree
Okay.
over there. Somebody can still see it.
You get that one?
This one I'm going to do.
Oh yeah, that may fit.
That one might do it.
All right.
Is it only?
Oh no. Did you get your pine cone? Oh, I see it. Did you get your good pine cone? All right.
We'll see that one bit, isn't it? We'll drop it around the ground.
Put that in your pack. I hope it fits. Sure is windy out here, Havy. You got it in your Explorer pack? All right.
Now, we're going to put it down.
So, we'll see you guys later.
So, hey, yeah, this day's not, yeah, but it's pretty cold and windy outside, as y'all could see, but we are going to start the day inside.
All right, exploring inside. Exploring inside now. In your playroom, hey, we're going to explore in here. There's a lot of things in here. Okay.
Hey, guys, I lost my rock. Would you help me find some?
You going to look for your rocks, Explorer?
Right, here's my map. That's my house, my road, and I went to the cupcake shop. Then I rode from the cupcake shop that way, and I went to a store. Then I went that way and took me a break.
All right. That's
And
your map?
Yep. Now we're find the rocks by looking on this.
Okay.
Alright, now this is where we all need to go.
All right, to find our rocks? Okay, let's go.
First things first, we're find this. What do you think that is?
I don't know.
Let's go see them. Let's look under this pillow.
Okay, under the pillow. Ooh, an arrowhead.
That's a rock.
I see. It's called an arrowhead. It's pretty cool.
Now we are going to put it over there. Now, that was under that pillow.
Mm-hmm.
We need to find that. It's on a blanket.
Ooh, look at them all in that blanket. I see them. Good job. Have too many toys. Tripping over too many toys. We have to get up here and straighten this room up.
There we go.
All right. Good job.
Now, next clue is down these. Now, where did I get it? I found one.
Whoa, in Elsa's house. That's
I think I
amazing.
see another one.
Wow, look at that one. Good job, Explorer. Following your treasure map.
Next, we are going to find. Next thing is.
Okay.
Now, let's go over them Elsa dolls. Yes.
Okay.
Might be over there.
Maybe.
Yes, it's right there.
Good job.
Now, to put it. Now,
Got another one?
it's not finished though.
You're not finished?
So now,
Whoa, where are those at? All right.
now, let me get some more out here.
Got more?
Is it in there?
In the barn? In the Barbie barn?
No.
No. I see one, Explorer. It's up here in the Barbie house. I see it in the corner. I see it beside the bed.
Me too.
Good job, Explorer.
Now, is it one out here? Yeah.
Oh, inside Peppa's house. I see it. That is awesome. Some shark teeth. Oh, I see. That is awesome.
Like, did you touch that? Don't ever touch that. It's pointy. Now, do you see any?
You found another one? Wow. Good job, Explorer.
Sparkling.
I see it. It's very sparkly. Good job, Explorer.
Now, I see the special rock.
The special rocks. Oh, I see them. They're so pretty. Good job, Explorer.
Now, let's put it right there. One
Mm-hmm.
is sparkly too.
Let me see it. Ooh, yeah, I like
And we
it.
got that one is shiny too.
Mm-hmm.
We got a golden one.
I
And
know.
we got another shiny one.
I see. That is awesome. Good job, Explorer.
Thanks, explorers, for helping me. Bye.